Today we are looking at ordering decimals, and the teddies have volunteered to be weighed to help us out. Right then, Parker, in you jump. Thank you, Parker. Right then, Tommy next. In you jump, Tommy. Come on, Tommy. Chop, chop. Thank you, Tommy. And next we have Cody. Not so much as a jump for you, Cody. In you jump. Oh, that's your weight. Thank you, Cody. Next we have Floof. Oh, well done, Floof. There's your weight. And last but not least, let's have Pickle. Oh, nice bell ringing, Pickle. In you jump, Pickle. Right then, let's see what you all weigh. If we could just move the scales. Excellent. Oh, look. Yes, lots of different weights. Right, so we need to order these decimals. So let's have a look on our board. What we've done here is we've written all the weights down the side. You can see we've got Parker, Tommy, Cody, Floof and Pickle, and they're all in decimals, and we want to order them from smallest to largest. So we're going to put them in a place value chart. So first of all, let's write the information on the chart. So Parker is 2 kilograms, 0.25. So the 25 is 2/10 and 5/100. Okay, next we have Tommy. Tommy is 1.25 kilograms. We must make sure we put that decimal in, that's good. Next we have Cody at 2.11 kilograms. Then we have Floof, 2.92. Let's put that into our place value chart. And finally, we have Pickle, 1.71. Okay, now straight away we can start to think about which teddy bear weighed the least and which made the most. And we're going to put them in ascending order. So let's look in our ones column to start off with. We can see that we have 2 teddy bears who were 1 point something. So we know it's either going to be Tommy or Pickle who is the least heavy. So now let's look in the 10th column for Tommy and Pickles. So Tommy was 1.2 and Pickle was 1.7. So we know that Tommy must be the lightest because he was 1.25. So let's put a number 1 next to Tommy in the extra column that's been drawn. Just put a number 1. He is the lightest because we're ordering from from lightest to heaviest. So we know now that Pickle must be the next heaviest because he's the other teddy bear that had a 1 in the ones column. Now, the other 3 teddies all were 2 point something. So we've looked at the ones, so we need to now move to the 10th column. So Parker was 2.2, Cody was 2.1, and Floof was 2.9. So we can see that Cody at 2.11 must be the next heaviest. Now let's compare Parker with Floof. So Parker was 2.25, Floof was 2.92. So we can see Parker must be the next heaviest. So he's 1, 2, 3, 4th, which means Floof must have been our heaviest bear. So we have ordered those decimals from smallest to largest. And what we can do is write them across the bottom of the board. So if we just wipe out the extra bits of column, and we're going to write them in ascending order. So we're going to start with the smallest. So the smallest was 1.25. And then I'm going to put a comma after that to separate the items in the list. The next one was 1.71. And a comma to separate. Then it was Cody at 2.11. Another comma. Then we've got Parker, 2.25. And the heaviest teddy bear, must have had lots of cake, was Floof at 2.92. And that is how you can order your decimals. Okay, so let's put the teddy bears in order of weight, starting with the smallest, ascending to the largest. So first of all, we've got Tommy. Then we've got Pickle. In the middle is Cody Bear. Then we've got Parker. Oh, squeeze on guys, squeeze on. Shuffle up. And finally, the heaviest bear was Floof. There we go. So we have ordered our decimals and the teddy bears. Hope you have fun. Maybe you want to weigh some of your bears and put them in order too.